You know, Jake came to me with a great idea today, and he was talking to me. We're recording for the fight, and we're got some of my training in today and everything. And you and I bounce health ideas off one another. I send you links to Instagram, you send me stuff, we talk about it, and I bounce ideas off you.
Yep.
And I've also sent you some of the nutrients that I'm using, like protein mixes, the
Your
whey.
health protocol.
Yeah.
Yeah, what we were talking about today on the way here was fuel is a lot like health in the sense that day to day, if your fuel filtration is so-so, you don't necessarily know. Sometimes you do. Sometimes you feel it.
Sometimes you feel it, but most of the time you can't.
Most of the time you don't know. And then just like not taking care of yourself, which today we're filming you prepping for your boxing match, if you don't take care of yourself, eventually you pay for it.
You will.
If you might not know day to day, but eventually you pay for it. Same thing.
Unless you go to McDonald's.
Unless you go to McDonald's, then you know.
Then I can't trust a fart.
But the same thing's true with fuel. We see guys all the time. The truck's fine, it's fine, it's fine. And then years down the road, or months or weeks sometimes, $12,000 injection system replacement, because that whole time they thought they were okay with subpar filtration. All of a sudden, just like a heart attack, it hits.
You know, you was talking to me, and it brings up our customers in Indiana, Indianapolis, and Tampa. And they were replacing their injectors about every 400,000-ish miles. I can't remember the exact details. That was their norm. Okay, they went in the graveyard, they're dead. But after they put us on there, they realized they could go, I believe, 1.2 to 1.5 million miles. That silent killer that's okay, that everyone's learned to grow with, you know, like pesticides in our food. Everyone's learned, oh, we can live to 85-ish with a little bit of drugs, feed your doctors, the drug dealers. And you remove that air out, you have a lot more life.
100%. And we get asked at shows, well, can I get away with regular filtration or subpar filtration?
They've been doing it since Chelsea Cummins put the engine in an automobile, right?
Maybe you can get away with McDonald's and cigarettes, but likely not. And that's why filtration is a hard subject sometimes to get people excited about. Same way that taking vitamins and getting on the treadmill can be hard to get excited about. But if you understand how fuel filtration works for the longevity of your injection system, it's a no-brainer.
I'm thinking of Walter Matthau's father on Grumpy Old Men. You know, he did live a long time, but that's not the norm.
Right, exactly.
Okay, and plus, the eggs he ate were probably pasteurized and didn't have all this fake crap in it.
That's true. That's true. He probably had a better resource than we do.
Yeah. So no, we do have it, but just you have to look for it.
That's true.
So, but I thought it was a great point you bring up. You know what? Without fast, you will get by. With the norm, you won't enjoy the benefits. You know, and so many times I go up and I ask someone, how long do you keep your truck? And I've had a few people, I get rid of it over 2-3 years. And there's reasons to put a fast on and not to put a fast on. But if you're gonna be keeping that truck any length of time and you want those injectors just to last as long as you're gonna have that truck, we're pretty much the answer for that. I'm being careful legally because they will winter out over time, but we'll triple the life of a normal injector.
Yeah, and I think you said it best years and years ago, it's insurance for your injection system. You're paying for peace of mind. You're paying knowing that you're giving your truck, your diesel powered, whatever it is, the best fuel possible, and stuff still happens, but you're tripling the life of that injection system.
Yes.
So you're keeping that repair bill as far away from you as you can.
Yes, you are. I appreciate your time, everyone.